Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Get ready to put on your guessing hats because today we're diving headfirst into the wonderful, wacky world of cartoon sound effects. I'm talking boings, bonks, splats, and all those hilarious noises that make our favorite animated shows so incredibly fun. This isn't just any video. It's the ultimate cartoon sound effect challenge, where you get to test your cartoon knowledge and see if you can guess where these iconic sounds come from. Whether you're a kid, a parent, or just a big fan of classic animation, this challenge is for you. WeVA lined up some of the most memorable and side-splitting sound effects UVA ever heard. We'll play a sound, give you a few seconds to shout out your guess, and then we'll reveal the answer. Think you've got what it takes to be a sound effect master? Let's find out. Our video is going to be packed with colorful visuals, playful animations, and quick cuts to keep things super engaging and fast-paced. We want every second to be an exciting new challenge. So, find a comfy spot, gather your family, and let's jump right into the first sound. Are you ready? Here we go. Sound effect 1 plays. A classic bayouing. All right, that's our first sound. A super bouncy. What cartoon character or situation does that immediately make you think of? Is it someone jumping high? A spring-loaded trap? Or maybe a silly character bouncing off a wall? You've got a few seconds. ... Think fast. Pause for guessing. Time's up. Did you get it? That classic beat is often heard when characters are springing into action, like a slinky stretching or a character getting launched into the air. Think about those old school cartoons where everything had a spring in its step. Let us know in the comments if you nailed that one. Okay, let's crank up the challenge a notch. Here comes your next sound effect. Listen closely. Sound effect 2 plays. A definitive bonk. Oh, a bonk. That one's pretty clear, right? What usually happens when you hear a bonk in a cartoon? Is it someone hitting their head? 2 things colliding. Or maybe a rubber hammer surprise. Take your best guess. Pause for guessing. And the answer is ... A. Bonk usually means someone or something just got a good, solid, but harmless whack. It's the sound of a comical impact, often with a bump on the head as a visual result. How did you do on that one? 2 for 2. Let's keep moving. Get ready for our third sound. This one is a total classic. Sound effect 3 plays. A squishy splat. Oh, a splat. Now that's a fun one. What kind of cartoon scenario would feature a squishy, messy splat? Is it a pie in the face? A paint balloon hitting a wall? Or maybe a character falling into something soft and gooey? Imagine the mess. Pause for guessing. All right, reveal time. A splat is almost always associated with something hitting a surface with a juicy, sometimes messy impact. Think about pies and faces, paint buckets spilling, or even a clumsy character slipping and landing with a funny thud. Those splats always bring a smile to our faces. You guys are doing awesome. Don't forget to keep track of your score in your head, or better yet, share it with us in the comments below. We love hearing how well you're doing. All right. For our fourth sound, we're going for something that signifies speed and movement. Listen carefully. Sound effect for plays. A rapid whoosh. A whoosh. That's the sound of speed and motion. What's flying past or moving super fast in a cartoon when you hear a whoosh? Is it a superhero taking off? A character running at top speed? Or maybe an object being thrown across the screen? Let those ideas fly. Pause for guessing. Got your answer? The whoosh is the iconic sound of something moving incredibly fast. It's perfect for superheroes, flying rockets, taking off, or even a super speedy character zipping by. It adds that dynamic energy to any fast-paced cartoon scene. You're doing great! We've got one more sound effect for this round, and it's a tricky one. Are you ready for the final challenge here? It comes. Sound effect 5 plays. A stretching, winding sound, followed by a sudden release, like a compressed spring unwinding, or maybe an accelerating motor. Wow, that's a complex one. It starts with a build-up and then a quick release. What kind of cartoon action does that suggest? Is it a machine winding up before taking off? A character preparing to spring into action? Or maybe a mechanical contraption about to do something wild? This one requires some serious cartoon expertise. Pause for guessing and the moment of truth. That winding, accelerating, then releasing sound often signals a mechanical gadget powering up, a character getting ready for a big jump, or a vehicle taking off with a burst of speed. It's all about that anticipation and explosive action. How many did you get right in total? That was so much fun. You guys are true cartoon sound effect connoisseurs. We hope you had a blast playing along with our cartoon sound effect challenge. Which sound was your favorite to guess? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this challenge and want to see more fun, family-friendly content like this, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow. And do you forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our next adventure. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. We appreciate you being here and being a part of our amazing community. Keep those ears peeled for cartoon sounds everywhere, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.